All right, Praisers and Savers, just got back from CVS. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. I got all of that, and CVS paid me 50 cents to buy it in extra care bucks. So check it out, see what happens. We got 2 money makers going on in this video. All right, let's see what happens. All right, Praisers and Savers, we are back at CVS, and we have an amazing, I think it's going to be a money maker. I hope it's a money maker. I have to do the math. So, deal on this Skintimate. And we have some really great coupons that came out yesterday. We've got these a couple times of $4 off on these chic products, and they're also on the, that's what I'm using today. They're also going to be printables that you can get on coupons.com. And then also on the app, the CVS app, there are some of these coupons as well. So let's just work on this for a moment. Okay, so I've figured out the deal on this. We're going to be getting 2 separate extra care buck scenarios here. The first one's going to be on the 3 razors. Buying those 3 razors, we're going to get $5 back. And then also buying this one here, we're getting $1 back with extra care bucks. So that's going to be $6 in extra care bucks we're getting back. We're also going to use a $4 off coupon here, a $4 off coupon there. There's a digital $4 off coupon that you can use for this one. And then there's a $1 coupon there that we'll be using. So that's $4, $8, $12, $13 in coupons. Also, I think that there is a CRT on the app that when you buy 2 of the Skintimate products, they'll take $4 off. And there's also another CRT that whenever you spend $20 on shave care products, it's another $4 off. So with all that being said, this is going to be a moneymaker of $6.03. $6.03 for this. Amazing. So I have this in the printable breakdown, and so you'll see the Skintimate, and then you'll also see the Skintimate shave gel. So pay attention to both of those, but you have to get all of these here to be able to qualify for the CRTs. I think today's CVS trip was made for me because there are some insane money makers. So here is another one. We really need dryer sheets. So these Snuggle dryer sheets are my favorite, and they are $6.59. They're a BOGO, buy one get one free. So what's going to do is it's going to make them about $3.30 each. So that's what I put into the spreadsheet for you guys. So it'll say buy 2 boxes, and it'll be $3.30 each, which comes out to $6.60. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 boxes, a buy one get one free. You're going to use 2 of these. You're going to use a coupon on the buy one, and you're going to use a coupon on the get free. Now these expire this weekend, so do not let these go bad, because these are really good coupons. So what's going to happen is these $2 coupons are going to come off, and then also there's a $3 off CRT on the app that will also come off, and then you'll get back that $2 in extra care bucks, which makes these a total of 40 cents money maker. 40 cents money maker for the 2 boxes of Snuggle. So 20 cents each you will be making money on. All right, Praisers and Savers, we have another great deal on this Effordent. Now some of you said that there's a $2.50 coupon off on these, but I do not have it. But needless to say, it's $7, and there is a extra care buck back for $5. So these are only going to be $1.99, and you actually can do this deal twice. And these will be great when I do my donation at the food bank, because they're always asking for products like this, or even cleaning products. So I'm going to grab 2 of these boxes. It's 102 count, and these are only going to cost me a total of $3.98 for both boxes. All right, the next thing is going to be this Hallmark tissue paper. These are $1.99, but be careful because some of them are not $1.99. Like this multicolor one is $2.49. So be careful. Look on the back if yours is not listed, because my store is not listed how much the cost is. So they are $1.99 each, and there's a $3 extra care buck that you're going to get back with these. Now some people had the Hallmark deal where if you bought a couple items you got $3 back. I don't have that on my app, but if you do have that, then that will make this an absolute moneymaker for you. You could also get things like the bows, because it's any Hallmark item, or just the cards if you want to do that as well. I am loving this deal on the soft soap, or you could do the Irish Spring, your choice, because these big bottles, I usually get them for like $1 or $1.50, but I'm actually going to pick these up for about 50 cents each. So what the deal is they are $3.99 each. And then, so that's going to bring your total to $7.98. There's a $1 off manufacturer coupon on the app that you can use. There's also a $3 off CRT when you buy 2. and then you're going to get back $3 in extra care bucks after that. So that's going to make everything less than 50 cents each for those. You can do this deal 2-3 times per household, but I don't have enough coupons to keep going. Maybe if I can find some online on the Irish Spring website or the Soft Soap website, but I'm just going to pick up 2 for today, which will be about 50 cents per bottle. Make sure you check to see if you have the CRT for the $3 on 2, and then also the $1 digital coupon on either Soft Soap or Irish Spring. All right, Praisers and Savers, back at the house. I already checked my Fetch and IBOTTA. Nothing came off on those, so I know Shopkick and Swagbucks doesn't have anything either. So this deal right here was for the Hallmark tissue paper. I'm actually going to use this for my kids to make little gift baskets for their teachers. And these were $1.99. Be careful, look on the back, because they had some in the store that were like $2.49, the striped ones. So they were $1.99 each, and then that's $6 for all 3. I got back $3 in extra care bucks on any Hallmark item. Some people have the $3 CRT coming off on the app. So that right there was just $1 each. Now the Effordent, you can do this deal twice. Some people have the $2.50 coupon for these. They are $6.99. I don't have the $2.50 coupon, but when I bought these, I got back $5 in extra care bucks. So these were $1.99 each. No coupons needed, and you can actually do this twice. So I'm going to give these to my grandpa. So the soft soap was 50 cents each. So what we did with that was they were $3.99. We got the $1 off Irish Spring or soft soap coupon. We also got a $3 CRT on the app, and then we got $3 back in extra care bucks. Now the Snuggle was a little tricky. So what happened was these were buy one, get one free. So I used a coupon on one, but there was an app coupon on the other. So I didn't have to use 2 paper coupons. I only used 1 paper coupon, and then there was a digital manufacturer coupon. And there was also a $3 on 2 CRT on the app that you could use. Now the most complicated deal was the Skintimate. These were $6, $12, $18, so $18. I added this on just to get my threshold over $20 because there was also a CRT for $4 off when you spent $20. There was another CRT when you bought 2 of them. It took off $4. And then I had a coupon for $4, digital coupon for $4 on the app, and then a $1 off coupon on that. So this was a huge money maker for this one. And then let me see. Yeah, so Snuggle was a money maker, and then the Skintimate was a money maker. And let's pull these out. So here is my Hallmark extra care buck. Here's my $2 Snuggle extra care buck. This was the $5 Effordent, and you can do that one actually again if you want. I think you can do the Snuggle again as well, I'm not sure. And then there was a $5 on the razors that you got back, and then $1 on the Skintimate. And now there is a $3 extra care buck for the soft soap, but I went ahead and used it in the store. So with all the CRTs, coupons, and everything else, they actually owed me 50 cents. So it's not actually they gave me 50 cents, but it was 50 cents in overage of extra care bucks. So that is a lot. That's a lot of stuff. And I didn't have to pay for anything. And like I said, moneymaker on the Snuggle and moneymaker on the Skintimate deal. All right, guys.